Yeah,
That's the retainer.
so that evens out the mixture a bit.
Important stuff first, which is making flagpoles. Oh, good T-bone.
Had a few too many drinks. After seeing the bikes, no room for storage, barely enough room to kind of drop the straps down and bag rest on the back of the seat. And they are a hell of a lot smaller than what I thought they were going to be. They are minuscule. It all seems a bit surreal.
You're on.
This is the world's shittest shower. Well, I don't know what the hell this is. All plugged into this, that then makes this, which is freezing cold. Not good.
Hello. Where are you from?
2 days in, but a really rough couple of days riding. First thing, I had a nail in my tyre, so I had to swap that over with one of the other bikes. Luckily, my spark plug has failed, got covered in carbon. Say shower and the toilet.
Is it that way? Cool.
Air intake, got covered in dust really quickly, all these dirt track roads, and also I fell off my bike, which didn't help, going around a corner too fast. Stones built up at the side of the road, and the bike just went straight out underneath me. There's a time to let it grow, there's a time to let it slow, and a time to let it go.
Oh, skill! Shit, oh! Yeah! Oh no! Broke a brake handle.
arse wiping motions.
And I love the words you said.
With everything on the plantain, right?
No. Dead! So we just head down this road.
Some are a bit gross.
Oh, Finn!
I run to the bridges, I run to the bridges. And from now don't be afraid, if the sun never rises, the sun never rises.
Alright, I'm finally going to light.
There's a time to let it slow.